onion pancake. That's the spring onion. I sauteed first with olive oil. Then I make the butter na may mozzarella and parmesan cheese and egg. That's why Lola stays longer life. Her food is healthy. Her doctor asking me who I am. Siguro nag-wonder sila paano ko naalagaan si Lola. Here we go. Ipiflip natin to mamaya. Yung ating talent na pag-flip. Charap. Kaya pwede. Lambot pa. Try natin. Come on. There we go. Tumalsik. And that's it.